So they found something at the 20-week anatomy scan, and then when he was born, it was a little bit more than what we were expecting.
He was born with something called atrioventricular canal defect, which essentially is that the middle of the heart did not grow together and separate into separate valves.
Leading up to it was really nerve-wracking. You just imagine what the worst-case scenario could be, but you also want to hope for the best.
If you look down the barrel of someone's heart, the two inflow valves are a single valve with Forrest when he was born. And what Dr. Mascio did was he split that into two different valves and closed all the holes between the valves.
I'm confident in Dr. Piles and Dr. Mascio's plans for whatever his future might hold. I'm not as scared for the future anymore as I was when we first started in this.
Sometimes you have to do more later, but the plan was that he's been set up with an operation that hopefully is good for the rest of his life now.
I cannot even begin to describe the amazing care that we received in the PICU. It changed my life that much, and it was just right here.